Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana into your Phantom wallet. And what you need to do is go to a crypto exchange like crypto.com. Now, if you don't have any Solana in your account, you're going to need to buy some. So for those who don't know how to buy on crypto.com, let me show you briefly. So what we need to do is go to trade. And once we open up trade, we will have a buy and sell option, and we are going to pick buy, of course. Now from here, it'll bring up a menu with the different tokens, and we just want to search for Solana, or you can look for Solana in the list. All right, so here is the option where we can put in the amount of Solana we want to buy, and we need to have a payment method, obviously. And once you have chosen how much Solana you want, you can just hit buy. Okay, so I haven't bought any Solana, but once you have bought some Solana, you want to go into the accounts section. Now, this is where you'll see your cryptocurrency. I'm going to have to do this the long way around because obviously I don't have any Solana in here. So what you want to do is click on crypto. Now, here will be all your coins, and I'm just going to get Solana. And now this will show you how much Solana you have. You can buy from here, you can sell from here, but we want to transfer and then go withdraw. Now we want to go and add our wallet. So on any of the plus icons, we can add our wallet address. Again, we want to click on Solana as our cryptocurrency. And so now we need to get our Solana wallet address from Phantom Wallet. So once we are in our Phantom wallet, we want to go to the receive button right here. And from receive, we want to click on Solana. And this is going to give us our Solana wallet ID. And we can just copy that and paste it right into crypto.com. And you can just follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Now, keep in mind, Solana transfers aren't always immediate, so it could take a few days before the crypto reflects in your Phantom wallet. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.